Estoy loco por ti.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that sequence. As you can see, we haven't started shooting it yet. I'm going to shoot a little bit of behind the scenes so you guys see my equipment and how I'm gonna try to put that together. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of different cinematic sequences, and instead of keep watching them over and over again, I figured there is nothing better than actually trying to start shooting so I can practice this way. I had just recently bought this juicer, so I figured I will use this to try to practice and put this sequence together. I'm using a Canon 80D with a prime 35mm 2.0 lens. I also have my Osmo Pocket for one of the shots. I may need this, so we'll see how this is gonna come handy. I got a couple of RGB lights. I have the Philips Hue Go, and I have this portable RGB light by great video makers. I'll put the link to all this products down in the description below. Also, this is the only DSLR I have, so I am trying to shoot the behind the scene on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I have a short shotgun mic by Rode that is attached to the lightning port. I will put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I'm trying to shoot at 60 frames per second, so if I'm trying to slow down some of the shots, I will have that ability. Unfortunately, on the Canon 80D, first of all, that's the highest I can go. It doesn't have 120. Also, the second downside of using 60 frames per second in this camera is I can only record in MP4 and not in MOV format, and that's gonna cause some problems if I'm gonna do any heavy color grading or color correction. So for the first few shots, I'm thinking I want to go ahead and introduce all my equipments and elements that I'm using. So the knives, the machine itself, and the carrots for the carrot juice. Alright, so that's for the first shot. We're gonna do the knives. The first action shot is basically washing the carrots. Now throughout this whole sequence, we're going to try to make things a little bit more dramatic, the way we wash them, the way we cut them, to try to make something interesting out of these shots. 2, 1. One motion. 3, 2, 1. Good. Bring it lower. Alright, you can drop it from very close. A little closer. Alright, 3, 2, 1, drop. 2, 1, go. Beautiful. Alright, so first part is done, washing the carrot. Now we're gonna cut it, peel it, and then we're gonna get to the machine. 2, 1, go. So you could have it like this, actually. Just go. Okay. Let me see it. Good. All right, higher. 3, 2, 1. Now let me just get this slam. So where are you gonna drop it? Where are you gonna slam it? Right here. Okay. A little higher, out of the frame. So when you grab it this way so I can get one shot just coming out straight. 2, 1. Don't kill me. 1. Feels good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and chop. Go, hold on. 3, 2, go. Come on. Okay. Hold on. Wait. 3, 2, go. Three, two, one, go. One more. Three, two, one, go. So we're pretty much done. We had to, I had to use the microphone that I have attached to my iPhone for some of the sound design a little bit, and I'm just gonna make myself a little bit more juice, and I'm gonna leave you guys with the finished video one more time. But if you enjoyed this, please give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, give me some feedback. This is really my first attempt at a little bit more involved sequence like this, but my goal is to just practice, and I highly encourage you guys do the same thing. The only way you can improve and get better is by practicing. So let's all work together and get better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.